Once again, a good accessory from tesstudio. Got this from tesstudio.com. This is a kind of extension for the power outlet. You have an outlet inside the glove box. If you want to pull that, make it the extension to make the port more accessible. You plug it inside the glove box, turn the outlets on from the screen. You have access to two USB-C retractable cables and a power outlet of 120 volts. Normal USB, another USB-C. You can turn it on from the screen under the outlets option, and then it shows you how many watts it's pulling out. Leave